Hi everyone, this is Rocky and join me as I unbox and review my second Starbucks 21 collection, the Starbucks 2021 Organizer. Let's go!
Hi everyone, this is Runner Rocky and welcome to my YouTube channel.
And yes, this is actually my second Starbucks 2021 unboxing and review after I successfully got my Starbucks 2021 flanner, the yellow one. And after I successfully completed my 18 stickers, I finally got the Starbucks 2021 organizer. And for the second unboxing, I chose this Starbucks Reserve because it has a classy, black, and with a letter R, which also correspond to me. And so, without further ado, let's start unboxing this 2021 organizer, and I will tour you to the pages of this organizer. Let's go! Just like my first Starbucks 2021 planner, the Starbucks 2021 organizer will seal. And it's inside this dark green box. Actually, the organizer also comes with each pouch. So here, this is the black pouch, and that pouch is made of leather with an embossed oak Starbucks. So, yes, it has two zippers, with mini pockets where you can put small notebooks or even cards, or even your wallet or cell phone. And the second pocket with a zipper is where the actual organizer is placed. And look at this one. It has mini pockets for cards, where you could put your Starbucks cards, credit cards, and other discount cards inside it. So here, so you could put as many as you can cards on this one. And of course, here is the organizer, which is also sealed in a plastic. So let's take a detailed view of these two, the Starbucks 2021 organizer and this leather pouch. Let's go!
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Starbucks 2021 organizer comes with a leather pouch. It is black since it is a Starbucks Reserve design. So, as I've showcased a while ago, it has many card slots and mini pockets where you could put your cards and other notes. And just like the Starbucks 2021 planner, this organizer also comes with this 50 years bookmark together with this Starbucks drinks. And unlike the Starbucks planner, the Starbucks organizer usually smaller in size. And for our Starbucks Reserve, it has the Starbucks Reserve logo, which is a letter R, which is also the same as my initial, together with the embossed Starbucks Reserve in a bronze color. And unlike the Starbucks planner, as I've showcased a while ago, it has so many blank note pages. Since it's only an organizer, you cannot find any planner or any calendar within each page. So most of these pages are blank pages. And on the first pages, so it's the green Starbucks sign, the personal information where you can put all your details together with the QR codes of the Starbucks social media, a calendar of 2021 and 2022, dates to note, just like the planner, and the succeeding pages, so the art design, and the succeeding pages are mostly blank pages where you could write anything that you want. And of course, on the final pages, we have the coupon. So a set of coupons. So we have 5 coupons where you could use on the succeeding months of 2021. So this is as simple as that. A smaller version of the Starbucks planner, but unlike the Starbucks planner, it has lots of blank pages and there are no slots for dates on each page. And that's it, karockers! Join me on my next vlog for Starbucks because I will get my second or my third Starbucks collection. The Starbucks organizer, the pink one with a crop design. So we will compare this one, the Reserve, and the crop. So again, thank you for watching, karockers. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and share our channel for more updates, live stream, unboxing, reviews, interviews, and other stuff. So join us, Brother Rocky, and see you on my next videos. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching, karockers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button here in my YouTube channel Runner Rocky for more updates, vlogs, reviews, reactions, celebrity interviews, Thai BL news, and livestream videos. See you all.